AI is revolutionizing the field of education by enabling personalized learning experiences that cater to the unique needs and abilities of individual students. With the help of AI technologies, educators can create adaptive and engaging learning environments that maximize student outcomes and foster lifelong learning. One key application of AI in personalized learning is intelligent tutoring systems. These systems leverage AI algorithms to assess students' knowledge, skills, and learning styles and provide tailored instruction and feedback. By analyzing students' responses and performance, AI algorithms can adapt the learning materials, pacing, and difficulty level to optimize learning outcomes. AI-powered recommendation systems play a crucial role in personalized learning. By analyzing students' learning profiles, academic goals, and performance data, AI algorithms can suggest relevant learning resources, such as online courses, educational videos, or interactive simulations. These personalized recommendations enhance students' engagement and motivation, promoting self-directed learning. Natural language processing, NLP, technologies enable AI systems to interact with students in a conversational manner. Chatbots and virtual assistants equipped with NLP capabilities can answer students' questions, provide explanations, and offer real-time support. This personalized guidance enhances students' understanding and facilitates independent problem-solving. AI algorithms can also analyze large amounts of educational data to identify learning gaps and provide targeted interventions. By detecting patterns and trends in students' performance, AI systems can generate insights for educators, helping them identify struggling students and design personalized interventions to address their specific needs. Incorporating AI-powered assessment and feedback mechanisms enables continuous monitoring of students' progress. AI algorithms can automatically grade assignments, quizzes, and exams, providing immediate feedback to students and enabling educators to track their learning trajectories. This timely feedback promotes self-reflection and supports students' growth and improvement. The future of personalized learning lies in AI's ability to harness big data and advanced analytics. By analyzing vast amounts of educational data, AI algorithms can uncover deeper insights into effective instructional strategies, learning patterns, and factors that influence student success. These insights can inform the development of personalized learning models and contribute to ongoing advancements in education. Join us in our upcoming videos as we explore the exciting applications of AI in personalized learning. From intelligent tutoring systems to adaptive assessments and data-driven interventions, we'll delve into how AI is shaping the future of education and empowering learners of all ages.